Hello, hello, hello. Come on into the classroom. Come on into the classroom. Today, we're going to exercise our Captain Marvel superhero powers. Yes, yes. We are going to exercise strength, stamina, agility, and durability. So, as we exercise those superhero powers, I'm reminding you today that the lesson is a blessing. Yes, the lesson is a blessing. And the lesson today is you have no control over things that are out of your control. I'm going to remind you, you have no control over things that are totally out of your control. So when you find yourself attempting to control something that you cannot control, I want you to remind you about your stamina, because you're going to need your strength and you're going to need your stamina and you're going to need your agility and durability, because you're going to be telling yourself, I can handle this, I can do this, but it is not in your control. So the lesson for the day and the blessing of this lesson is to let it go. Let it go and let you flow. And once you let it go and you flow, baby, you will be in control of that thing that is out of control. Remember, when you have no control over something, I want you to settle for a minute. Just settle down and remind yourself that I have no control over this, so I'm going to totally let it go so that I can flow and be in tune with my mind, body, and spirit, so that I can walk into my greatness and be the best that I can possibly be. This is a reminder that you are great, you are fantastic, you, my dear, are marvelous. I am Dr. Shonta Smith, the essence of education, and when the professor speaks, you should listen.